Well, another rain day. So why don't we work on a building project today? Hey guys, so this is the project for today since it's raining outside. We are going to build a stand for this pedestal grinder to go on. When I was at Princess Auto on the weekend, I was walking by and seen this. Normally it's about 170 bucks, and I got it for 70 bucks. So I couldn't resist. Not that I'll be using it a whole lot. It's the aspect behind it may make my life easier. I want it portable, so we're going to build a stand for it. So that way I can move it around the garage and wherever we feel like it. Anyhow, come with me while I build and figure this out. So there we have it. It's on its own pedestal now. And this way it's stable. I just have to tighten these up here, which I will probably do after. I actually want to give this a coat of paint, and that's something that my children can do while I'm working on the car. So anyhow, thanks for sticking around with me. Thanks for helping me build this, and we'll catch you when we get her back on the road.